Who asked for this? My drama with this weather started yesterday when I went to the Walmart for a couple TV dinners and some juice. Normal day for me. But we got people in there running around acting crazy like it's the last day. You know, like this is the end of the world or whatever. And I'm thinking, if it's the end of the world, why would you buy all these groceries that you probably not gonna eat because it's the end of the world? Duh. You can tell who all ain't got groceries at home because they was all in there getting toilet paper, paper towels. They was in there getting like basic stuff. And I'm like, come on, y'all. Bread, milk, and eggs. I'm like, really? Y'all, matter of fact, speaking of Banquet, tell me why these went up from 88 cents to 97 cents. Now, I already knew about this Blizzard McFlurry that was coming. I wasn't upset. I was just, you know, trying to get my mind ready. I go outside. I go down 2 steps, y'all, and I slide the rest of the way. Not like a do, but like a do. No, I'm not going to give up. And then I get to the bottom of the stairs, and I'm like, where does my sidewalk begin and where does it end? Because you can't see where the curb is. So I get over there. I get to like where I think the curb is, and I go to step. Y'all, I don't know what I was thinking, but I stepped down a little too hard. My whole foot sunk into that big pile of snow up to my thigh, and I rolled over. And I was like, for real? I'm not gonna give up, Lord. So I realized that the pile of snow is blocking my door from opening. So I look on the other side of my car, and my passenger side's not that bad. So I open the door, get in, and start my car. I get upstairs, and I'm thinking, well, let me call my boss. Like, hey, I'm gonna be a little late. Oh, we're closed. Why y'all ain't call me first? But I learned something. We're going through the storm right now with the snow and the wind and the flurries and the snow and the wind and the flurries, and it's cold and it's cold and it's cold. But it's all worth it once we see that first little days of spring and summer. Right? First smell them ribs on the grill in spring. Wait. What is it? First sight of the daisies in spring, the first smell of the ribs in summer. And it taught me the fight, whatever you're going through is your storm, right? The storm is past and all the roads cleared, your cars thawed out, the stores start to reopen again. You realize it was all worth it because you knew, because it's like we know that this storm's going to pass. It's just getting through it. And once we get through it, there's sunshine again. 97 cents. I'm upset. But you know what? I'm excited. I'm actually not snowed in alone this time. I have a few friends. So I was on the phone with a friend last night, and I made up a few nicknames for him. And I called him one of his nicknames. I was like, can I call you that? He was like, no, but you can call me Daddy. Fellas, can I ask y'all a question? Why you want your girl to call you Daddy? That's nasty. I don't want to think about my daddy when I'm with you. When we hanging out, when we at the movies, and when we at the mall, or when we driving in the car, or when we having our cute little moments. I don't want to call you Daddy. That's nasty. There's Daddy, and then there's boyfriend, or Daddy, and then there's husband. But I'm not finna collide the two. That's what, incest? When you cough, sneeze, huff, puff, exhale, sigh, breathe, cover your mouth. Especially when you know you got a cold. Especially when you know you got the sniffles. Especially when you know you just got over the flu. You need to learn how to cover your mouth. Because I'm tired of y'all spreading y'all little nasty germs all over the place. Listen, that ain't cute. If I see one more person cough and don't cover their mouth, if I see one person sneeze and don't cover their mouth, or wipe their nose on their hands and don't wash their hands, or use germ sanitizer, I'm going to slap you in the face with my NyQuil.